Hello guys, today I will show you how to install GITEA to your Windows 10 machine. First thing you need to do is to open the XDiag to your computer. And that we can see that we are using 64-bit Windows 10. Using your web browser, search for GITEA. Click the first link that will appear and then click the download tabs. Then click GITEA folder, then the 1.16.8 version, then search for your Windows version. So for 32-bit, just click for 3.86, and for x64, click for AMD 64.ext. Just wait until we finish the download. Just go to downloads, copy the GITEA executable file, and then paste it to your desired path. So I created a GITEA folder in local disk C root folder, naming it GITEA project install. So in that folder we will paste the GITEA executable file, and then we will rename the GITEA file to simple as GITEA. Then we will open the CMD to this path. The shortcut is to type CMD on that URL and then type GITEA.exe. Just allow access to the firewall, and then we will see that app URL is localhost 3000. So we will copy that link and paste it to our web browser. And then we are here in the initial configuration page. So as you can see, we have 4 database type, and host is our local host. Then we open the SAM control panel to start the session for our Apache and MySQL. So as you can see, it will run in 127.0.0.1, and our port for MySQL is 3306. So for our username, the default is root, and password, no password. So for database name, we will use gittestdb. For conventional, we will use underscore for spaces, and we'll open the PHPMyAdmin page to create the database that will use by our GITEA. So we are here in PHPMyAdmin, so we will create a database for our GITEA. So we'll create new, then copy this database name and paste it to this, and then click create. So we already created our GITEA database DB. Okay, for site title, we'll change it to GITEA my first GITEA. And for our repository root path, so it is the folder we have created in local disk C, and all the files needed for GITEA is saved on this folder. So run as a username, it will use, by default it will use the user profile of the computer. Okay, as you can see, that is my user name. Server domain, localhost is h-port 22. Okay, GITEA HTTP 3000 and HTTP localhost 3000. Then click git install GITEA. Okay, just wait for 1 to 2 minutes to finish the installation of GITEA. After this, we will go to the login page of GITEA. As you can see, we already finished the installation of configuration for our GITEA. So next is we will register the username and password for our admin. The email address here is not required as legit Gmail, as this is for testing purposes only. But if you are using SMTP, you must use the legit email. So we will try to log in our created username and password. So as you can see, we have tabs here: issues, pullout requests, milestones, and explore. For the deep dive in GITEA, we'll check this in the next video. Thank you.